Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with essentials that actually unblock messages. First, update TikTok and sign in outdated builds or logged out sessions often disable features. Once done, restart your phone to clear cache and reconnect to Wi-Fi or mobile data so the app can reauthorize. If you use VPN, turn it off briefly because region flags can change permissions. These steps force the app to refresh settings, which both fixes simple glitches and prepares you for targeted in-app fixes next. Now you'll dig into TikTok's privacy and messaging settings to restore access. Go to Settings, then Privacy, and set direct messages to friends or everyone depending on your comfort. This controls who can message you. Next, review blocked accounts and message filters to remove unintended blocks. Then clear the app cache inside settings to remove stale tokens and speed up syncing. By changing a setting and clearing cache, you force a permissions refresh so messages and requests reappear correctly. Finish by applying advanced remedies if messages still fail. Uninstall and reinstall TikTok, but export or save drafts first so you don't lose work. If the issue remains, use settings right arrow report a problem and include screenshots and timestamps so support can trace server logs. Finally, test messaging on another device or a secondary account to see if it's device-specific. Quick troubleshooting tip: if messages work elsewhere, factory reset is rarely needed. Instead, focus on app.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.